So our challenge of taking $300 and turning it into $1,500 using the Seek Rewards, Seekgold, and the Seekcoin system. We keep on building and growing as far as we can. Our main income on this ecosystem is the Seek Rewards, giving us 1% daily. Daily rewards you can depend on 7 days a week. Important notes regarding Seek Rewards. Seek Rewards is a community-based project, 100% decentralized, autonomous, and governed by fair and immutable smart contract code. Each deposit cycle is 210%. When 210% is received, a new deposit must be made to continue receiving Seek Rewards. Minimum entry is $100. Open to all participants, no restrictions. No referrals are required in order to receive the 1% daily rewards. Increase the speed of your returns by growing the community fund through sharing of the Seek Rewards ideology. You must keep a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover the transaction fees, also known as gas fees, to transfer BNB. We suggest keeping it at least $10 in BNB in your wallet for the gas fees. Disclaimer: the Seekrewards.club website has been provided for convenience. At any time you can interact with the contract directly on the Binance Smart Chain. The Seek Rewards smart contract has been created with the intent to improve the financial lives of all participants. By making a contribution of BNB, you agree and understand you are interacting with no other party than the blockchain itself, and you are 100% responsible for your transactions. Rewards are paid in accordance with the smart contract code and are not guaranteed. The smart contract will continue to pay rewards as long as rewards are available. The cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high financial asset class. Please only deposit funds you can afford to risk. Now the benefit about the Seek Rewards, talking to the team behind it, they got an ecosystem around Seek Rewards. To raise funds, they're not dependent on people coming in with new money. They got a system going which generates funds to help pay out everyone that comes in to the Seek Rewards plan. How to join? To join the Seek Rewards, you'll need 3 things. First one is Trust Wallet on your phone or a MetaMask wallet on your phone or computer. On your computer through an internet browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, or Microsoft Edge browser is preferred and takes less than 3 minutes to install. BNB coin, BEP20, based upon how much you want to deposit, plus an extra $10 to cover your gas and transaction fees. The referral link of the person who referred you to Seek Rewards. Down in the description there will be a referral link. Make sure to use it and check out Seek Rewards. Step 1 is to add MetaMask to your internet browser, Google Chrome or other. Watch the short 3-minute video instruction. Step 2 is to add the Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. Here is another 3-minute video on how to do it. The info you need to complete the steps is shown in the video below. Simply copy and paste information into your MetaMask wallet. Here is all the necessary information you need to put the Binance Smart Chain into your MetaMask. The final step is to add the BNB token to MetaMask. Here is another short video on how to do it. You'll need the contract address to add the BNB token. To buy BNB and have it sent to your wallet or buy Bitcoin or BNB with a credit card, go to getbnbfast.com chain. Your final step is to join Seek Rewards once you have completed the steps above, following the directions below. Copy the referral link received from your sponsor and enter referral link into your PC browser with the MetaMask extension. Continue your MetaMask wallet to Seek Rewards smart contract. You should be prompted to do this once you enter the website. If not, open MetaMask and in the upper left hand corner, click on the word connect. Scroll down to the box below the word deposit. Select the buttons needed to total your deposit amount. As an example, if you wanted to deposit $1,200, click the $1,000 button once and the $100 button 2 times until $1,200 shows up in the amount box. Next, click on deposit and your MetaMask wallet should open and ask you to confirm the transaction. Once you confirm, wait about 60 seconds or so. Scroll down to the personal statistics box and you should see your initial contribution and a notification on how much you are due to receive back. Your countdown timer for the next pay cycle should shown as well. That's it. You'll start seeing small rewards within minutes after you join and the full 1% within 24 hours. Every 24 hours thereafter until you received your 210%. If you choose to refer others, share your referral link for instant Seek rewards. So it's pretty basic and pretty easy to get started. But let's go to Seek rewards and see where we're standing. Our personal info is the deposit amount we put in has gone down with the price. We started with initial of $300. We still got $90 to come in, and currently we have $37.44 we can withdraw. The total income to date was $402, which we have taken out, and the income we've withdrawn to our wallet, $364. So let's click this withdraw button and take out our current available BNB. We're going to take our BNB out. It will land in our wallet. And then we're going to put it into the Seekgold wallet. As you can see, our BNB has arrived. Now we're moving over to Seekgold. Now Seekgold is a wallet with dividends. Every time BNB gets deposited into this wallet, a 10% dividend gets distributed between everyone who's holding gold tokens, and you're getting an amount according to the amount of gold tokens you hold. Every time someone takes out BNB, a 7% dividend distribution happens again according to the amount of gold tokens you have. So we've done our withdrawal on Seek rewards, and now we're going to deposit BNB into our Seekgold. We got 0.12, so we'll deposit 0.11 to make sure we have enough BNB left for our gas fees. Let's buy some gold credits. We'll buy our gold credits. As we wait for the transaction to confirm, this amount should increase and our gold credit should be more. We'll give it a few seconds, waiting for the blockchain to confirm the transaction, and there we go. As you can see, my gold credits increased to 4,984, and the current amount of BNB I have in the contract is 0.74. I already gained some dividends again. Now my thought is to use my dividends to buy Seekcoins. The more Seekcoins I have, while they're still in pre-sale, the better the opportunity for massive gains when they finally launch. So what I'm doing, I'm using Seek rewards for my 1% daily return, taking my profits into Seekgold, using my dividends to buy Seekcoins. Go to the wallet. We'll see I did buy some Seekcoins already. I have 1,899 Seekcoins banked and waiting for the coin to go live. It's a unique ecosystem. The goal is to get eventually to $1,500 in here. In between, we're using our dividends to buy Seek tokens, and the moment the Seek rewards contract runs out, we'll take these funds back into the Seek Rewards contract and restart it again. And we'll keep on doing that until we've seen $1,500 in our Seekgold wallet. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below. Let me know what you're thinking. And remember, smash that like and subscribe button. Have a good one.